Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what, my friends? We have a new club. It is called the Fold It Club. What's a Fold It? It's a shaped card. Now, a shaped card die set is going to come in the kit each month. But also, there are going to be 2 5x7 stencils in the kit as well. What? I know, isn't that awesome? Now, one of the stencils will usually match the Fold It Club card because you know what? Sometimes I want to have some little extra details on there. Now I'll have that option by adding that stencil in there. Also, the other stencil will usually be a background stencil that might coordinate, might not, but you are going to love it no matter what. Now, the Fold It Club is adding to all of our other clubs. We have our Stamp Club, we have our Die Hard Club, we now have our Fold It Club, and we have our Card Kit Box Club. Lots of different options. Now, a lot of you are going to want to be in all of them. If you're in all of our clubs, guess what, my friends? Not only do you get a 20% discount, but you're going to be a Diamond Club member. Now, what if you just don't want to be in all of the clubs? You can also be a Gold Club member by being in the Card Kit Club and the Die Hard Club. What if you want to be in the Card Kit Club and the Fold It Club? Guess what? That's called the Rose Gold. And then you'd be a Rose Gold Club member. Lots of different options at the Stamps of Life. And we're really excited about this club because we've had some people over the years, we've been in business now 13 and a half years, we've had so many people say to us, you know, I'm not a stamper, so I want a club that's not for stampers. Well, guess what, my friends? The Fold It Club is for you because you're going to be able to die cut, make a card so quickly, add some inking and blending to it using the stencils, and poof, you're going to have a card. So guess what? You need to sign up for our Fold It Club ASAP. The first shipment has already sold out, but don't worry. You'll still be able to get in on that first shipment. It'll just be shipped a little bit late in November, so make sure you join ASAP. It charges on the 24th of the month, and it will ship on the 1st of the month. And you know what? I am so incredibly excited. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, or click Join the Club. Go hit that Fold It Club button, and you know what? Read the FAQs. You are going to love it, and I can't wait for you to see our first shipment. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.